Your email list is one of the most valuable assets, but what happens when customers go silent? Instead of letting them go and slip away, let's bring them back in this video. So in this video, you will learn how to set up high-converting win-back campaigns in Klaviyo. In there, we will cover the psychology behind customer re-engagement, a proven email sequences that works, and a step-by-step demo to set up your flow. By the end of this video, you will have a fully automated system that revives lost customers and boosts your revenue. A win-back campaign is an automated email sequence designed to re-engage customers who have stopped interacting with your brand. These customers already know your products, but for some reasons, they have gone quiet. So you might be asking, what is our goal? So our goal is to get them back before they are lost forever. Here is why it's crucial. First is, inactive customers are easier to convert than cold leads because they have already purchased from you. Second is acquiring a new customer that costs 5x more retaining an existing one. Third is, win-back emails can recover up to 45% of inactive customers when done correctly. Fourth is, brands that implement automated re-engagement flows see a 10 to 20% revenue increase. If you are not running a win-back campaign, you are leaving money on the table. So here is why you need to understand customers' disengagement. So before we can bring them back, we need to understand why they left at first. So typically, inactive customers fall into three categories. First one is the forgotten customer. So they are one who loved your product but got distracted and life happened. Second one is the unimpressed buyers. They are someone who didn't meet their expectations. And the third one is the one-time shopper. So they weren't looking for a long-term relationship. And the good news, each of these customers can be re-engaged by the right strategy. And that's where a win-back campaign comes in. So now let's set up your win-back flow in Klaviyo. So first, you will need to head on to your Klaviyo account, and after you have logged in, then you will be welcome to the Klaviyo's dashboard as you can see on the screen. Then after that, on the left-hand side of the screen, you can see the option of the flows. So simply go on these flows, and on the top right corner here, you will see the create flow option. So simply click this. Then after that, here you can see the customer win-back flow, which is available for you. So simply click this one, and then you will need to write a name and select a tag, and then you can use the template. So let me just quickly fill out the name. So I have named my flow. Now I'm going to use this template by simply clicking this, and there you have it. So now, after we have headed onto this page, so let me just quickly edit and design my flow according to my requirements. So after you have used the template, then you will be asked to put down a name, a subject line, and even the preview text. So I have already created my script for this. So let me just simply copy those scripts into the proper headers. As you can see, I have quickly filled out the names, the subject line, and the preview text that's needed for this template. So now I will simply go here, click this arrow, and go on to this change template. And then you will see three different email fonts, which is drag and drop, text only, and HTML. So I'm going to simply click this drag and drop because it's easy to use. Then after that, you can see there are lots of templates that Klaviyo has provided you with, or you can even create your new one from the scratch. So for that, you can simply go to this create option and start it from the scratch. So now I'm going to quickly add some images and the text and the template that I have created or I want to design to send for my customers. So let's just quickly edit this one as well. So this is the first win-back flow that I have created that I will be sending to my customers. So as you can see on the screen, this is the brand logo that I have uploaded, and here this is a small nudge to the customers saying a welcome. Then scrolling down, then you have got a text which I have uploaded saying a warm welcome to the customers which we have lost. And after that, I have uploaded some of our best sellers. Then I have also provided my customers with an incentive of 10% discount and a welcome back code. And after that, you can see I have also uploaded the footer, and this footer part is very important and it will also signals the end of the flow as well. So now here comes the main part. So I'll be adding the links in all the necessary images that I have uploaded in this flow. So let me just fill this out quickly as well. So here I'll be giving the link and also be writing a suitable name for this. So after you have uploaded everything and checked everything and also added your links, now it's time for the preview and test. So for that, you can simply click this preview and test situated at the top right, and you can even look at for the mobile view and even for the desktop view by simply clicking this. And after that, simply click this send test. Then after clicking that, you will be asked to put on the email in which you want to preview the flow with. After providing the email, you can simply click this send and the preview will be sent to your email and you can check it. After you have created and designed your first email, in a similar way, you can add more email flows. And also you can add conditional split to it. So as you can see on the screen, you can add this conditional split block wherever it's necessary. So I'm going to simply drag it here and keep down it here. Then after that, you can add a condition and such as opened email, or you can even add yes or no conditions as well. So yes for add a delay and send, or no for resend a modified with an email with different subject lines as well. So for the time delay part, you can set the time delay according to your preferences. So first one is 75 days. You can even choose 2 months or 3 months and according to your requirements as well. And that's it. Your automated win-back campaign is ready to run. The sequences keeps you brand top of mind and increases conversions without extra work on your end. So these are the best practices and optimization. First is test subject lines. So A/B test subject lines to see what resonates the best. Second one is segment your audience. Now all inactive customers are the same, so customize emails based on past purchases. Third is use dynamic content. You need to show products recommendations based on browsing histories. The fourth is to analyze results. So monitor open rates, click rates, and conversion inside Klaviyo's dashboard. So here is my final thoughts. Win-back campaigns aren't just about re-engaging customers. They are about rebuilding relationships. So with Klaviyo's automated and strategic email flows, you can turn inactive customers into loyal buyers effortlessly. So take action today and set up your win-back campaign and optimize it for your brand and start winning back those lost customers. See you guys in the next video.